Calumet Harbor. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10:15 a.m. At 8:19 a.m., a front was located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles southwest of Milwaukee to 7 nautical miles northeast of Winthrop Harbor to 28 nautical miles northwest of St. Joseph Light, moving south at 35 miles northeast of Winthrop Harbor to 28 nautical miles out of the north to northeast as the front passes, with winds briefly gusting to near 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, buoy. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Source, buoy. Locations impacted include Hamilton Beaver, Crib, Burnham Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Calumet Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Winthrop Harbor, Montrose Harbor, and Diversey Harbor. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. And Diversey Harbor. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves.